Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 12th. Yes, we are discussing laws of inheritance, Mendelian genetics. So far, we have discussed Mendelism. Now, some objections to Mendelian principles, some objections to Mendel's laws are our concern now. For instance, Mendel talked about principle of dominance. Out of the two contrasting factors in F1 offspring, one expresses completely and masks the expression of the another. This phenomenon we refer as dominance, wherein one allele expresses completely and suppresses the expression of another allele. When two alleles of the same gene are together, contrasting alleles, out of two only one expressed and the remainder hidden, we refer it as dominance. Dominance is not absolute, dominance is not complete, dominance has degrees. इसके बारे में मेंडल ने नहीं कहा. For instance, principle of dominance has one objection, that is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance or partial dominance. Incomplete dominance or partial dominance is the phenomenon where none of the contrasting factors, alleles or factors is dominant. जब हमने बात की डोमिनेंस की तो वहां पे हमने कहा एक डोमिनेंट है, दूसरा रिसेसिव है. एक फैक्टर डोमिनेंट है, दूसरा फैक्टर रिसेसिव है. When the two contrasting factors are together, out of two one expressed, we refer it as dominant and the remainder hidden, we refer it as recessive. और उस समय मैंने ये भी कहा dominant is one which expresses in homozygous as well as in heterozygous condition. Capital T is tall, capital T small t is tall because of dominance. While as recessive will express in homozygous condition only as small t is tall. This was Mendel's statement, this was Mendel's principle of dominance. को आप law of dominance भी बहुत सी बुक्स पे देखते हैं, law of dominance भी लिखा है. लेकिन जब हम देखते हैं बहुत से प्लांट्स, बहुत से एनिमल्स में, out of the two contrasting factors, none is dominant. When we have a mid value, when we have an intermediate condition, dominant is not fully able to express. Dominant is not fully able to inhibit the expression of recessive. When dominant failure to show, it is complete effect. Instead of complete expression, we get an intermediate condition. That intragenic interaction, wherein when a cross is being made between two contrasting factors, between two parents having two contrasting factors for a character, where none is dominant, that is incomplete dominance. When we get an intermediate condition, मैं ऐसे बता सकता हूं, the expression of character in a hybrid, when it is incomplete dominance, the expression of character in a hybrid, the expression of character in a hybrid is hybrid or F1 individual. hybrid or F1 individual is an intermediate mixture or fine mixture of the two elements. Incomplete dominance or partial dominance या mid value paradox, mosaic inheritance, is the phenomenon where none of the two contrasting alleles or factors is dominant. The expression of a character in a hybrid or F1 individual is an intermediate or mixture of expression of the two alleles. Of the expression of two alleles. अगर हम क्रॉस करते हैं दो पेरेंट्स which are differing in one character, when in the F1 offspring none of the contrasting traits shows it is full expression. The expression of the character is just an intermediate between the two or a fine mixture of the expression of both the alleles. We refer it as incomplete dominance. Yel tey cross kariu dominant's recessive sith. Mar F1 offspring yus bani tat F1 offspring s man gasin tey dominance nazrike. Yedi doyo allelo mans kahin high na dominance. Yele dominant fail gets to express. Pat wucho is intermediate phenotype. That intermediate phenotype as mans just expression of the character. So is na akeli log effect ke balki is so ak mixture donvani allele nahi expression. So is intermediate condition. That condition pro now incomplete dominance. Mendel had not talked about incomplete dominance. Mendel कर incomplete dominance इस काथ के Mendel मन dominance. मर incomplete dominance अगर इस मन dominance में जो full expression of the dominant trait या factor for dominant trait, then case one incomplete dominance में partial expression of the dominant trait. In incomplete dominance, the dominant factor is partially expressed. In incomplete dominance, the dominant factor has partial expression. जब डोमिनेंट कंप्लीटली एक्सप्रेस होगा तो एक फिनोटाइप होगा आउट ऑफ द टू पैरेंटल टाइप्स, लेकिन जब डोमिनेंट फुल एक्सप्रेशन नहीं दिखा सकता है, वो रिसेसिव को कंप्लीटली इनहिबिट नहीं कर पाता है, तो एक इंटरमीडिएट कंडीशन सी डेवलप होती है. पार्शियली एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है डोमिनेंट, एक इंटरमीडिएट मिक्सचर बन रहा है दोनों का. हम उस कंडीशन को कहते हैं इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस, मोज़ेक इनहेरिटेंस या पार्शियल डोमिनेंस. बट रिमेंबर इट, partial dominance is not an example of Mendel's pre-Mendelian concept of blending inheritance. Pre-Mendelian concept of blending inheritance is partial dominance. इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस हेको न मानित कि यह ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस जन मेंडलस ब्रोह कंसेप्ट ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस मिक्सिंग अप ऑफ ट्रेट्स ये वो नहीं तो सर क्या ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस incomplete dominance is not blending inheritance. It should not be considered as an example of blending inheritance because we see that both the phenotypes dominant as well as recessive express in the F2 generation reappear in the F2 generation. हम incomplete dominance को blending inheritance नहीं कह सकते. Incomplete dominance incomplete dominance incomplete dominance is not incomplete dominance is not an example of pre-Mendelian incomplete dominance is not an example of pre-Mendelian concept of blending inheritance. Incomplete dominance is not an example of pre-Mendelian concept of blending inheritance, as both the traits, as both the parental types express in F2 generation. Askur cross between tall and dwarf. F1 offspring intermediate. अभी मतलब गो न tall the dwarf गई loss. कि जैसे F1 करा selfing patches नेलन tall the dwarf. Parental phenotypes expressed in F2 generation, thereby challenging, thereby confirming that incomplete dominance is not an example of pre-Mendelian blending inheritance. यानी यहाँ पे मैंने नोट किया incomplete dominance is not an example of pre-Mendelian concept of blending inheritance, as both the parental types expressed in F2 generation. I will justify it with an example. Common examples of blending inheritance. Some common examples of incomplete dominance. Some common examples of incomplete dominance. Some common examples of incomplete dominance include flower color, in 4 o'clock, flower coloring, snapdragon, coloring, heather coloring, Andalusian howls. Some common examples of incomplete dominance are flower color in 4 o'clock, flower color in snapdragon, and heather colors in Andalusian howls. These are some common examples. Suppose we will take the example of 4 o'clock. इसका कॉमन नेम है, इसका बॉटनिकल नेम है मिराबिलिस जलापा। मिराबिलिस जलापा, मिराबिलिस jalapa is the botanical name of 4 o'clock. This 4 o'clock or Mirabilis jalapa, 4 o'clock or Mirabilis jalapa has 2 types of flowers. This plant has 2 types with respect to their flower color. Their flower color. Four o'clock Mirabilis jalapa plant has 2 varieties. One variety is with red flower, another variety is with white flower. Red flower color, another is with white flower color. One variety is with red flower color, another variety is with white flower color. 4 o'clock Mirabilis jalapa has 2 varieties. One variety is with red color, another variety is with white color. सपोज हमने रेड वैरायटी का पोलन ग्रेन लिया, इसको हमने मेल सिलेक्ट किया, और व्हाइट वैरायटी का हमने एग लिया, इसको हमने फीमेल सिलेक्ट किया. एज पर मेंडेलियन रूल्स, मेंडेलियन प्रिंसिपल्स, कन्वेंशंस, देयर आर 2 फैक्टर्स फॉर रेड कलर. Likewise, there are 2 factors for white color. In an individual, a red plant has 2 factors for red color of the flower, and another 4 o'clock plant has 2 factors for white color of the flower. Out of the 2 factors, gamete receives only 1 factor. Out of the 2 factors, gamete receives only 1 factor. When the gamete is fused, F1 offspring has or. It should be red, as red is dominant or white. But in case of 4 o'clock, it is not red, it is not white, it is pink. It is pink. F1 offspring. When this plant has 2 types of this plant has 2 types with respect to flower color. 2 types or 2 varieties. Varieties with respect to flower color. One is with red flowers, red flower color, and the other is with white flower, white flower color. One is with red flower color and the other is with white flower color. This Mirabilis jalapa or forocolor has two varieties. One variety is with red color, another variety is with white color. Of what? Flower. When the two varieties are crossed, when a plant with red flower is crossed with a plant with white flower, when a plant with red flower, pure breeding plant with red flower is crossed with a plant when a plant with red flower is crossed with a plant with white flowers, with white flowers, the F1 offspring has pink flowers. The F1 offspring has neither red nor white. The F1 offspring has neither red nor white. Instead, it has pink colored flowers. Pink colored flowers. An intermediate condition between red and white. But it doesn't mean that red and white have been lost. अगर रेड तो व्हाइट कोरस क्रॉस अस बनो F1 ऑफस्प्रिंग यह पिंक बस वन यह अख रीजन यह इंटरमीडिएट कंडीशन दोन हज पार्शियल डोमिनेंस वन अकोई जीन हसा गो एक्सप्रेस यूज द रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर पिंक कलर ऑफ द फ्लावर मगर यह कुन तरीक एग्जांपल ऑफ यह कुन तरीक एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्लेंडिंग इनहेरिटेंस कैज ये F1 ऑफस्प्रिंगस when we go for selfing of F1 offspring or when F1 offspring is selfed. Which is a score cross red and white as well pink. As this to pink. RR. Let's cross with RR. This is selfing. In male, in female. When F1 offspring is selfed to raise the F2 generation, हमें ऐसा मिलेगा. R. These are male gametes, these are female gametes. RR. Likewise here, RR. See, this R is red. This R is this R and R, this R and R, these are pink. It is pink due to incomplete dominance. It is red because both the factors for red color are present in homozygous condition. And it's white. So phenotypically, we get in F2 generation, we get a phenotypic ratio of 1:2, 1:2:1. One red, pure red, one red, two pink, and one white. Red, pink, and white in the ratio of 1:2. But one thing important is, जब हम इसको देखते हैं ये फिनोटिपिकली रेड है, ये जीनोटिपिकली रेड है. ये फिनोटिपिकली एज वेल एज जीनोटिपिकली पिंक दिखाता है। ये व्हाइट है, व्हाइट ये दोनों सूरतों में हो सकता है, बिकॉज रिसेसिव एक्सप्रेशन होमोजाइगस कंडीशन। मेरे कहने का मतलब इस तरह से है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डोमिनेंस हैज एक्सेप्शन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। Incomplete dominance or partial dominance is that condition, that phenomena where none of the contrasting alleles or factors is dominant. None of the contrasting alleles or factors is dominant. But remember it, when in incomplete dominance cross is being made between two plants. Suppose हमने यहाँ पे लिया 4 o'clock. One is red, another is white. Flower color. हमारा कंसर्न यहाँ पे कलर है, उसके 2 वेरिएंट्स है, रेड कलर, व्हाइट कलर। क्रॉस किया, F1 एब्सोल्यूट ना रेड है ना व्हाइट है, वो पिंक है। हम कहते हैं ये पिंक है बिकॉज ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। बट दिस इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस विच गिव्स अस ए पिंक कलर्ड फ्लावर नो वे स्टेट्स दैट it is an example of blending inheritance. Because if it would have been the example of blending inheritance, then there should have been no possibility of reappearance of red and white in the F2 generation. Since both the parental phenotypes are here, it is red and it is white. So these are parental types. Pink is the result of incomplete dominance. Parental types expressed in F2 generation, thereby challenging that incomplete dominance is not an example of blending inheritance. And one thing important which you must remember, that in incomplete dominance, अगर आपको डोमिनेंस में याद होगा, मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस में जब हमने क्रॉस किया था तो F2 जनरेशन में हमें 3:1 रेशो फिनोटिपिक था, 1:2:1 रेशो जीनोटिपिक था। फिनोटिपिक मोनो हाइब्रिड रेशो वाज 1:3:1, जीनोटिपिक मोनो हाइब्रिड रेशो वाज 1:2:1। But in incomplete dominance, phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, which is similar to the genotypic ratio. In incomplete dominance, in incomplete dominance, both phenotypic as well as genotypic ratio is same. Ratio is similar. Here it differs from dominance. वहाँ phenotypic ratio 3:1 है, genotypic ratio 1:1. In case of incomplete dominance, both phenotypic as well as genotypic ratio is similar. That is 1:2:1. One is to 2:1. See, there is one more example. So, what is phenotypic ratio? 1:2:1. What is genotypic ratio? In a similar ratio. In case of incomplete dominance. In case of Andalusian fowls, Andalusian fowls. Andalusian fowls have different feather colors. Andalusian fowls have different feather colors. Some are black, some are white, and some are blue. When homozygous black color when homozygous black colored fowls are crossed with white color, homozygous white color, homozygous white colored fowls, the F1 offspring offsprings were found have blue color of feathers due to incomplete dominance. एंडोलिशियन फाउल्स में डिफरेंट कलर्स की फेदर्स है, कुछ होमोजाइगस ब्लैक कलर की है, कुछ होमोजाइगस वाइट कलर की है, और कुछ ब्लू कलर की फेदर्स वाली फाउल्स है। जब दो फाउल्स को क्रॉस किया गया, जिनमें से एक ब्लैक कलर की थी और दूसरा व्हाइट कलर था, when the two were crossed, the F1 offsprings or hybrids were having blue color due to incomplete dominance. See how सिंपल है, बिल्कुल जिस तरह हमने 4 o'clock में देखा, रेड एंड व्हाइट को क्रॉस किया तो हमें पिंक मिला। इसी तरह से एंडोलेशियन फाउल्स में हम दो वैरायटीज लेते हैं, फाउल्स की दो टाइप्स लेते हैं। एक तो है ब्लैक कलर वाली फाउल्स, इनको क्रॉस किया विद व्हाइट कलर फाउल्स, दोनों होमोजाइगस है, यानी बोथ द फैक्टर्स फॉर द कैरेक्टर वायर सिमिलर। सपोज हमने ब्लैक को मेल लिया एज मेल और व्हाइट को फीमेल। लेट अस से फॉर ब्लैक कलर देयर आर 2 फैक्टर्स, देन फॉर व्हाइट कलर देयर आर 2 फैक्टर्स एज पर कन्वेंशन। इन gametes there is a single factor. Likewise here, gametes are haploid as they are the result of meiosis. When gametes fuse, when fertilization occurs, F1 offspring is BB. This F1 offspring should be black, as black was dominant over white. But to our surprise, what we experience, we see that it is not black, it is not white, it is blue. F1 offspring is blue. It is hybrid. F1 hybrid is blue. F1 offspring, F1 generation. F1 generation is blue. But blue color doesn't mean that black and white has lost forever. I mean to say there is no blending. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे, इन blues को आप selfing करोगे, when F1 offsprings were selfed, ऐसा रिजल्ट हमें F2 जनरेशन का आएगा। These are male gametes or female gametes. This is capital B, this is small b, this is capital B, this is small b. It is capital B, capital B. It is capital B, small b. It is capital B, small b. It is small b, small b. Capital B is black. Homozygous dominant. small b is white, homozygous recessive. But capital B, small b, heterozygous condition shows blue color. So the ratio is 1:2:1. 1 blue, shabash, 1 white, 1 black, 1 white and 2 blue. Both phenotypic as well as genotypic ratio in incomplete dominance is same. और एक बात यहां पे मैं बता दूंगा, जब जेनेटिक्स का कंसेप्ट नहीं था, जब मेंडेलियन लॉज के बारे में हमें नॉलेज नहीं थी, उस एरा में जब पोल्ट्री के साथ डील करने वाले लोग जो थे, उनको मार्केट सिर्फ ब्लूज का ज्यादा था. ब्लू कलर फाउल्स वायर हैविंग मार्केट वैल्यू. So people were in search of blue color. What poultry breeders were doing? They were always crossing blues to get blues, but they were not knowing there is incomplete dominance. They were crossing blues and they were getting white, they were getting black and blue. 50% blue, 50% black and white, and 50% was just right. Blues were once again crossed. So again black and white was produced. When we come to know the laws of inheritance, laws of genetics, then what poultry breeders are nowadays doing, they are crossing black and white to produce blues. Because when black and white is crossed due to incomplete dominance, we get blue. So चाहे ये स्नैपड्रैगन हो, एंटेलिडम मैजस, चाहे भोरुकुलाक हो, मिराबिलिस चलापा, या ये एंडोलेशियन फाउलस हो, these are excellent examples of incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance go क्या? ये जो सो phenomenon, ये ले इस वचन चे आख intermediate phenotype चीवन, कहाँ parental phenotype चुन express गसन के. Incomplete dominance छान blending inheritance. क्या parental traits चे, parental phenotype चे express गसन in F2 generation. However, incomplete dominance is considered as blending inheritance. No, it is considered as conjugative inheritance. However, this incomplete dominance is considered as an example of quantitative inheritance. Involving a single gene pair. Incomplete dominance is not blending inheritance. Incomplete dominance is an example of quantitative inheritance involving a single gene pair. In incomplete dominance, both phenotypic ratio as well as genotypic ratio is same. It is 1:2:1. The best example of incomplete dominance is Phoroclock, Snapdragon, Antirrhinum majus and Andalusian faulus. हाँ, और एक यहाँ पे टाइप जो मैंने बात की थी वो कोडोमिनेंस, वो मैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इंशाल्लाह बात करूँगा इंशाल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.